Here you go guys, we're heading for Whiteout now. I'm going to come around this way, which is the way the wind's blowing, and you'll see what it's like to walk into the snow. Way! Look at all that snow, it's like a blizzard. Can you see that? I hope you can. It's difficult for me to tell how well this is coming out. Wow, there's Neil underneath a tree. Look over that way. You can see it's really coming down again now. It was supposed to have headed off for London by now, but it seems to be hanging around a bit longer than they said. Whoa! Ooh, that's cold. I'm actually eating snow now. Neil taking shelter. Whew. Isn't that something? I'm so sorry you're missing this, Lucy. Never mind, I'm sure you're having a fantastic time in Kenya.